Dear children, in this video we would like to see how to use indexOf function of string class. You can see here I have got a string str along with a character literal ch, and you all know that every character literal has got a unique index number. Here W has got index number 0, E has got 1, this space has got 2, this small a has got 3, this R has got 4, and this has got 5. So here we will be just looking through this one only. So here P is equals to index of this function str dot index of ch. You can see that this function is returning 1 here. Because why 1? Because the starting index of small e, which is 1, and if we pass small a, the function will be returning 3 starting index, and if we are passing a small p, the function will be returning 9 here. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Suppose here we are passing e, so it always returns the starting index. And if we want the index of the second character, which is second character literal e, which is here, so how to find out that? So the same index of function we can use in that case also. So how to use str dot index of ch comma p plus 1. Here I have specified p plus 1. Why p plus 1? Because I am ignoring this index number 1. Up to here I am ignoring, and in the remaining part of the string I would like to search. So here p was 1, so here p is 2, so it will search the index of this ch from index number 2. So if we now see, it is returning 5. So the starting index of e is 1 and the index of the next character literal e is 5. So if we append one more e here, suppose after this word happy, and if you copy these two statements, and now you see the index number of the last character e is 12 here. So first term it is 1 and then 5, it is 1, it is 5 and it is 12. So like this we can use index of. Children, suppose using the index of we want to count out the frequency. You just want to count. So how to do that? For that I have taken this p is minus 1, I have taken this c0, and I would like to count. So the code will be while true, and p is equals to str dot index of ch comma p plus 1. If p is minus 1, then it is break, and c is equals to c plus 1. Here the frequency is c. Now see that the frequency is 3. Here you can see that the frequency of small e within this is 3, 1, 2 and 3. If you remove this, the frequency will become 2. So it's working. Using the same function, children, you can find out the frequency of a substring also. Substring means part of the string. So let us see that. So I have taken this string str, along with that I have taken and now few variables minus 1, and C0. Start searching. While true, P is equals to str dot index of sub comma P plus 1, and if P is minus 1, then break. C is equals to C plus 1. Now the frequency is C. The frequency is 3 here. You can see that India, if we consider India as a substring, so in the main string str, India has occurred thrice. And one more thing. So children, if you want to count the frequency of a word, you can use this index of. But remember that index of only searches substring, not word. So we have to do some changes in this. Suppose here in str, if we have appended one space at the beginning and one space at the end, means that at the beginning we have got one space and at the end also we have got one space. So if we search a substring, or we can just consider a word along with some spaces, one space at the beginning and one space at the end. Suppose if we want to search this substring within this main string, so you will see that this substring occurred only once. So this is how we can search a word. Let us see. Word. I would like to search a word here. Word, and here till now you will see that the frequency is 3 only. But if you search a substring, a word which is having 2 spaces at the beginning and the end, now you can see that the frequency is 1. Actually, what is happening, I am searching a word. Actually here I have formed a substring which is made of a word and one space at the beginning and one space at the end. So if you see this string here, you have got one space at the beginning and one space at the word, after the word, which has occurred only once. And if the same word you search here, so at here within this you have got one space at the beginning, but at the end there is no space. So it will ignore this. And again it will ignore this. So this is how you can search or count the frequency of a word also using index of. I hope you people must have understood this.